Hello, today we will guide you through how to change your bio on Whop Business Account. If you want to update the bio shown on your Whop Business profile, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll move from your dashboard to the Profile Settings area and then enter a new bio. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Whop Business Account and on your dashboard. From there, go to the Checkout Links area. This is the section shown in the Business Dashboard, and it serves as the starting point for this tutorial. Once you're on that page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile account. This will open the Account menu where you can access additional personal and business-related settings. If you do not immediately see the option you need, take a second to let the menu fully load before continuing. After opening the Profile menu, click on the Settings icon. This will take you into the Settings area for your account. The Settings section is where you can manage important details related to your profile, so if you ever need to make other account updates in the future, this is a useful place to remember. Next, click on Edit Profile. This is the section where your public-facing profile information can be updated. You should now see fields connected to your profile details, including the area for your bio. In the Bio field, enter your sample bio. Take a moment here to make sure the wording reflects how you want your business or personal brand to appear. A good bio is usually short, clear, and relevant to what you offer. It can help visitors quickly understand who you are and what your account is about. As you type, it's a good idea to review the text for spelling, tone, and overall clarity. Keeping your bio concise often makes it easier for others to read and understand at a glance. Once your bio has been entered, you'll be ready to keep that update in place within your profile settings. At this stage, simply confirm that the new text appears correctly in the bio section you edited. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to your profile settings and updated your bio on your Whop Business Account. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process simple and easy to complete.